Hi, this is Dorothy from crazyforcrust.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make mini fruit tarts. I absolutely love this recipe. It's a marriage of two that I already have on my site, lemon fruit tarts and fruit tart cheesecakes. We're going to start off by baking the fruit tart shells, and I'm going to use a store-bought sugar cookie dough. I like using this because sometimes you just don't have time to make stuff from scratch, so I just grab it from the store, makes it easy. Plus, this recipe has a few different steps, and it cuts off a little bit of time. I like to use the break apart ones because then all I have to do is like throw them in the little mini cookie tart pan. So what we're gonna use is a mini muffin pan. Spray it really, really well with cooking spray. I like using the kind with flour. This is for easy release. Just pop one of the little cubes into each muffin pan cavity. Pop them in the oven, bake them for about 15 minutes or so. Once they're done baking, pull them out of the oven. While they're warm, use your finger or the back of a wooden spoon to make a little indent, like a little pie crust indent in there, so there'll be room for the filling. Then you're gonna let them cool completely before you even attempt to remove them from the pan. Because if you try and do it when they're warm, it'll break them. So just wait till they're completely cool. While it's cooling, we're gonna make the lime glaze for the top of the fruit tarts because that also needs to cool. So you're gonna take a small saucepan and you're gonna pour some lime concentrate in there. That's the stuff that you'd use to make limeade. You're going to cook that, boil it down a little bit with some sugar and some cornstarch until it's nice and thick. Once that's all boiled together, take it off the heat, put it in a bowl, let it cool, because it'll thicken even more as it cools, and it'll be a nice glaze for the top of these mini tarts. All right, once everything's cooled, we're gonna assemble the tarts. We need to make our filling, the no-bake cheesecake, which is the best part, in my opinion. We're gonna take cream cheese, granulated sugar, and vanilla, and just beat it all up until it's nice and smooth. Note, make sure that your cream cheese is room temperature or you're gonna end up with lumps in your cheesecake. Then we're all ready to assemble. You're gonna take a cookie shell, you're gonna spoon in a little bit of the cheesecake filling, top it with some fresh fruit. I like using berries, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, whatever you like, and then brush on some of that nice lime topping. And then you have gorgeous little mini tarts that you can serve at any party. These are great at a baby shower. These are great just because they're great for summer. And you can find the recipe on my blog, crazyforcrust.com.